Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Monese account directly from your mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's get started. First, launch the Monese app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. On the dashboard, tap the three-dot menu at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Account Details section, tap on Close Account or Delete Account. This may vary slightly based on the app version. The app will show you a prompt explaining the implications of closing your account. Review this information carefully. Confirm by selecting Continue or Close My Account. You may be asked to select a reason for account closure. Choose an option from the list or type a reason if applicable. The app will ask for a final confirmation. Confirm by tapping Delete or Close Account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account closure request is being processed. Check your registered email for any further updates or confirmation from Monese. And that's it. Your Monese account is now set for deletion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more quick guides. See you in the next video.